Hello there, and welcome to Golden Canvas. Today, I'll be guiding you through a preset titled Chic Slate. Let's get started. Here are some before and after example photos with the preset applied. Awesome! Now, let's begin by selecting a photo. This dapper gentleman is already posing for us. We'll start by adjusting the light settings. Let's begin by setting the exposure to -0.20. Contrast to +10. Highlights down to -88. Shadows bumped up to +90. Whites at +26. Blacks +75. The tone curves should be adjusted as follows. That about does it. Next, we'll start adjusting the color. For this one, we'll leave the temp and tint at 0. Vibrance down to -10. Saturation drop to -25. Now for the color mix. Red hue, +20. Saturation to -35. Luminance -27. Orange hue, -5. Saturation +2. Luminance down to -22. Yellow hue, -14. Saturation down to -57. Luminance drop to -70. Green hue, -23. Saturation drop to -67. Luminance to -15. Aqua hue, -9. Saturation at -35. Luminance down to -40. Blue hue to -12. Saturation to -58. Luminance up to +49. Violet hue at -5. Saturation down to -62. Luminance up +32. Magenta hue, +3. Saturation drop to -62. Luminance to -6. That's a wrap for color. Let's head over to effects. We'll adjust the texture to -5. Let's bump the clarity up +21. Dehaze to +12. Next, split tones. Set the highlights to 36. And saturation at 7. For shadows, hue at 244. And saturation to 7. Perfect. Now, on to detail. Sharpening to 24. Masking bumped up to 75. Noise reduction at 7. And that's it. We're done. Now, let's copy the settings and apply them to some other photos. I really hope you all enjoyed this preset. If you would like to, a like, comment, or hitting subscribe for more would be greatly appreciated. Much love, and see you soon!